In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bing Ads account. So I'm going to show you step by step how to create an account if you want to start advertising on Bing. So the first step is just type in ads Bing, and this will bring you over to the Bing Ads page. As you can see, it Microsoft Advertising. You can just create an account by hitting the button here and then hit sign up now at the top right corner. And from here you can verify your identity with your email. So I'm going to do that with this email. So I'm going to verify it right now. So this is my code, and then you can hit verify, and you can hit no thanks from here for this. And yeah, from here you can start setting up your Bing Ads account. So I'm going to do that just like this. Just enter in everything for your own details. Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, and here for primary use, you want to say to promote this business, and then the agreement, hit I agree to the Microsoft advertising terms and conditions. Then you can hit start create account, and now it's going to create account for you. So here you can import from Google AdWords, but you can also create a new campaign. So I would create a new campaign because I don't do this. But if you are already creating campaigns with Google AdWords, you can do that as well. But I'm going to say create new campaign from here. So as you can see here, you can do the campaign name. So I do campaign 1. You can just do like everything how you want it, and then the location, just say the location you want. So I do all the available countries or regions, or the Netherlands because I live there. And then the language, I get rid of Dutch and I only select English. And then you can add the ad groups. So I just leave this like this, and then you can add a new one. As you can see, you can set the ads how you want to make it, like how it looks like. You can enter in the URL, the title part over here, title part 2. So this is basically the SEO SEA for Bing. So yeah, that's great. So you can set it up from here. Yeah, that's basically how that works. Here you can enter in the keyword. So if it's about eggs, you can put eggs. Healthy eggs, just your recipes. It already gives some suggestions, as you can see, like this. So that's great. And here you can do the cost per click. So this really depends on what you're doing. If you're doing CPA marketing or affiliate marketing or dropshipping or just an e-commerce website you want to promote through Bing Ads, this really depends on what you do. So if you're doing affiliate marketing with ClickBank or MaxBounty, I would lower this to 10 if you start out, or just to 5. And yeah, just leave the cost per click like this, and then you can hit save. Or if you want to read it later, you can also do skip campaign creation. So that's what you can do as well if you want to do it later on. So here you can enter in all the business details, what you have to enter in first. So I'm going to do that right now as well. And when you've entered in everything, you can also do a VAT registration number if you have one, but as you can see, it's optional. So then you can hit save from here. So now you have to enter in your billing information. So basically choose how you want to pay, so postpay or prepay. So I would select postpay by a credit card, but if you want to pay with PayPal or bank transfer, you can also do prepay. So I would select PayPal for this then. And as you can see, this is basically how you can set it up and then go live. So if this helped you out to set up Bing Ads account in 2021, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.